all judges right now. Moving on to another contestant right now. Remember, hey, the show get real serious right here, so. Alright, so Tyresha, make your way to set the stage right now. I think she gonna sing for you know, 100% talent, Jamaican, Wagwan. Yeah, alright? What you doing for us today?
I'll be singing an original remix of an old school classic.
Alright, so 1 minute. Alright, remember 1 minute right now. Alright, so just bring it, bring it. Yes, if you think she doing well, remember keep the votes coming in right now. First judge, Nero. Yeah, because you're a Nero officer right now, because you come out. Tyresha, you come out. Because you're the judges, I have to say.
Yeah, look at me, right? Looking at my eye. You see that tone of voice that you're using? It's called falsetto. No, the falsetto comes from here. And if you're going to be singing in falsetto, we're going to have to like properly tune a mic for everybody to hear you, because you now can project your voice the way it's supposed to. Use your diaphragm, right? And for that, I give you a 6. I'm going to tear down and see how confident you are. I'm going to see you come back again. I give you a 6 for that, right? But know you can do better. Don't do the bathroom singing. This is a competition.
Yes.
Remember, A games only. Don't be shy. Don't be scared of nothing. You. And for the other contestants, it's not Vybz Kartel, it's Uno on the stage today.
Right.
So no referral not supposed to go on, but Uno. Alright, remember, do your best next time. That's a 6 for me.
Alright, thank you for that, Nero. So Nero give you a 6, Kisha Las Vegas. What you say, Tyresha, bring it?
Okay. I'll give you a 5 because you're still in that quiet mode, that sense of I'm not sure if I should really let them see what I'm about, and you need to break out of that real fast. You've started a competition and you've made that decision, so you have to follow up on that. All right?
All right, thank you, Kisha.
Yes.
Counselor Edwards.
Right, for me, I see you can sing. I hear that, right? But it was a bit nasal for me, right? But it was a good interpretation of the song. Good remix, you know, as you said. So I give you a 6 as well.
All right, thank you for that, Counselor. Lady Tash.
Tita, you know I love you. But I'm going to have to give you a 5. Tita, you have to come better. With the you sound like you're rehearsing it in your bedroom. You understand me? I know you have the potential, Tita. I know you can do better, all right? So I just want you to come out of the shyness there and come again here.
Trust me. Thank you for that words of advice. Don't move around, General.
Yeah, Empress. Well, we can see you put yourself together for forward for the competition. You see me I deal with ear done and everything. Outfit ready and you know what I mean? So we love the presentation. You see me I deal and I love how you father. Love the remix too. You see me just did need to deliver better. You see me I does the deliverance and we know say at the shine. Because right now me I talk to you
Yeah.
look at shine right now, you know. Right now. So you see me? You see when you work on that, cause trust me, people believe now you know you're a singer. Them know say you can do better than what you just do. Even you in yourself know that say you can do better.
Of
You see
course.
me Adi? So when we are say our constructive criticism, you know say for the best, cause you in yourself know say you can do better. So for me it's a 6 as well, you see me?
All right, thank you, Original. Remember, anybody managing her, it just give her the confidence and boost her because she can do better. She have a good voice for real. All right, so big up yourself, Tyresha. All right, hopefully to see you in the competition next time around. Same way, you understand? So we could move to another artist right now. You know what I mean? Big it up to everybody inside of the building right now. All contestants, me I tell you now, we love you now, we're excited for you now. So you know what's going on. Our General, yeah.
Yeah, we just want to remind each and every artist attending on the stage should in a mask until you reach on the stage before you take off the mask. You see me I deal with? Yeah, so we just want that clear, you see me?
All right. Thank you, Ara General, for that. You know what I mean? Ecstatic. Your time, you know. Your time, you know. Make your way to center stage right now. Hey, this is the 100% Talent Jamaican show right now where everybody excited for. Wagwan, what y'all bring to the table that week here?
Lisa, you know it's ecstatic right now. Me I talk about the ghetto youth them, you know. All right now, me have to talk to everybody when no say yo them go through struggles, you see me, and them now make it all them done, you see me. All right, listen. Certain things me see don't right. Them now brought the bread, them take the whole light. But even when you're tired of the poor life, remember 7 times rise like Snow White. That's why me nah make poverty get the best of me. It better me go look a work and try collect a G. Especially like how the world no see the best of me. Me just born the other day, oh me fi dead left me granny. Me nah make poverty get the best of me. Hustle for the money that a we better pre. Enough boy back upon them like a pepper tree. And enough a blow whistle but them a no referee. Me? Sure, so me go through a leap, man. Can't forget the days. Floor me asleep and couldn't buy a pot. Me cooking at the cheese pan. When me want a shirt, me have to settle for the cheap one. Landlord throw me out, me have to lease land. Couldn't get a job no matter how me seek one. One thing me tell the politicians and the deacon, broke life me want free from. So me nah make poverty get the best of me. You better me go look a work and try collect a G. Especially like how the world no see the best of me. Just born the other day, oh me fi dead left me granny. Me nah make poverty get the best of me. Hustle for the money that we a better pre. Enough boy back upon them like a pepper tree. Enough a blow a whistle on them. Listen, me nah, no matter how much them want, no tell them now they get your youth and make we prosper. Cause you quick for help a man, him nah help you. Him more fool you back when him see you a breakthrough. Bad mind for nothing them hate you, but don't make poverty send you a bed.
So check. That performance was really ecstatic. Big up yourself. You know what I mean? But let's hear from the judges.
From the competition here start, you have never seen me stand up and give a comment before. You're not a part though. Look at him. You him do that for a while ago here. You him do that for a while ago.
Motivation.
And with all that said, I never see nobody hold two of them things and them answer yet. So this for me, my friend.
10.
So the content, them G.
Hey, may I tell you, the man go on good enough. Kisha Las Vegas.
I'm giving you a 9 because it's easy to relate to everybody. I go through a fight nowadays, and you have to stay mentally, what should I say, stable, and remind yourself what tomorrow is not today. And what you see in your face, if landlord reject you, if it's your boss say you're not good enough, that doesn't mean someone tomorrow won't say you're the best. And
All
we've
right.
all been there.
Counselor Edwards, what do you think about this performance
Yes, so
just
before
now?
the song finish, put up 9, don't it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I draw up my 9, man. You mess up, I draw up my 9.
9.
You understand me? It's not 10.
Cool.
Anyway, I never get a name to brave, you know. Because I call some people naming their song and thing. You understand me? But it was a very good song. I felt it, well delivered. You know, so you deserve the 9. And if you get 10, you could have all given you a 10. Yeah, man. Full
All right, so the competition getting very serious right now. May I tell you, me see the 10, me see the 9. I see all these numbers going up right now. 100% talent. Lady Tash, what you have to say about this contestant?
10. The message. I will not dead left for granny, that we say. I will not dead left for putting them, that we say. And you rather go work for your grand. You understand me? That is a message. Straight 10.
All right, thank you, Lady Tash. Our General, Harole.
A big song, man. When you see big song, you have to know it's a big song. You see me a deal? Big song, a big song in my general. You see me? Just need the right team around it and the right promotion. And you know it gone a road. You see me a deal with? For me, still, wouldn't like a more catchy a punch. Something more than a ringing on my ears all when you're done sing right now. We know the song tough and everything, but the punch for you know, like how the Empress defined that sweet punch there. We just say, you see me all when me there in my yard, me still remember sweet, your verse.
Yeah.
So more time, the punchline have to connect to your verse, verse them effective. So it's a 9 for me, my God.
Ecstatic, just me. Good song. We really like it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean. Pick up yourself, my boss. I mean, yeah. Lala Dan, make your way to center stage right now. Hey, may I tell you, serious part of the show. Lala Dan, what you have for it this week? Book 'em.
First and foremost, a big up Father God for bringing us here right to say, you see me, because enough pagan now out there, you see me, but we still are going to do a thing, you see me. Book 'em, the whole mask of the whole art house, Portmore, Arlen, Nero, Millionaire Vice. Some rhythm, I'm a girl them there. I'm a girl them there. Alright, go. Body Jaffy, a bounce it a jiggle. It a jiggle, it a jiggle, it a jiggle. Body Jaffy, a bounce it a jiggle. It a jiggle, it a jiggle, it a jiggle. It a jiggle, it a jiggle, it a jiggle. Body check full of style, girl make it bounce. Top girl inna the street and the pretty ducks. It a jiggle, everything a jump. What's a bad girl wine for me full of stunt. SK inna your belly, girl you put a front. It a jiggle, everything a jump. Body check full of style, girl make it bounce. Girl a bubble and a wine like she's a jockey. Try girl curve, yes, red for the coffee. Granny girl step aside for the trophy. I'm not a girl in this one, let me feel lonely. Body top, come here girl, you're not boring. I'm not a girl in this one, let me feel touring. Girl fast like me, she keep touring. Have them girl, they stand up, she's a win-win. Body check full of style, girl, make it bounce. Top girl in the street and the pretty dance. Hit a jiggle, everything a jump. Boss a bad girl, wine for me full of stunt. SK inna your belly, girl, you put a front. Boss a bad girl, wine for me full of stunt. Cute face, slip where she's the trophy. Where your rat nose, we saw your bossy. Granny girl, step aside, what the Sophie. I'm not a girl inna this one, and me feel rolling. Body top, come here, girl, you're not boring. Girl fast like me, she keep touring. Have them girl, let's stand up, she's a win-win. Chula luda girl like the legend Shabba Rankin. Body check, full of style, girl, make it bounce. Hot girl inna the street and a pretty dance. It a jiggle, everything a jump. Boss a bad girl, wine for me full of stunt. SK inna your belly, girl, you put a front. Boss a bad girl, wine. Why the rhythm done?
Hey, me I tell you now, Lala Dan, how you got a week here? A big girl settings ago, you're excited. Alright, you don't know me I tell you the serious part of the competition this, and the show gets serious stash. We break down a while ago. Capable get everybody in that emotional feelings there. Pick up yourself, you don't know. Alright, hey, Lala Dan. Counselor, we can start with you. Yeah, we can start with you. What do you think about Lala Dan performance?
There's a common thing you use where you have and make it work for you. You can be sure no that dancer was a competitor, right? And you use a part. So you utilize all the ways in the building. I love that, right? You delivered a bit, but you were a bit nervous. So you make a shake in your hand. And you were speaking about the girls and their performance. You afraid of the woman them? Work with the girl up on the stage, man. This part of you can't stay there. Alright, me get you. But anyway, it could have been better delivered. You were a bit nervous for me, you know? And that's just you went off a bit, like you forget the song. Right? But overall, I give you a 7.
All right, a 7. Thank you for that, Counselor Edwards. All right, Keisha, Las Vegas.
Anything to keep the vibe going. I too will give him a 7. But me know say he can do much better. Because we used to Lala doing, you know? Give us some bad tune and them sitting there. But it was fun. It's a girl tunes. I liked it. A little bounce 7 me give. Alright?
Alright, the jaw them a clap. Nero.
Yo, me draw my one before, cause me see man come on the stage with 2 girls. I say, but hold on there. Then my lord, me see fun come here. But me realize why I'm the road so long. Rears, him come prepared, Virgin. So as I can see, I want the done drop before everybody else. So that's 7 for me also, you understand?
Alright, thank you for that, Nero. Lady Dash, what you think about the body say it a shake?
Trust me, after capable, God is able, capable, God is able, right? But after capable, I don't really need a vibe. I just the vibe for me. It's a jiggle. It's an 8 from me.
Alright, our general, thank you, Lady Dash.
Yeah, Lala done.
Competition
Yo, Baz. Hey, the performance mighty full. Like how you forward out, you know, with the 2 impress them, man. You see me, I did that utilize the stage, and we love the context, you know, cause true enough people feel like say you have to come with a positive music or, you know, enough artists try to come now with it, but you forward different. You forward with a vibe and a kind of calypso, dancehall, reggaeton vibe. You see me, I deal with so. For me, it's bad. Love the performance, love the energy. Capable, just perform, kind of get we in a down spirit. You uplift back the spirit, make we go all back at vibe. You see me? So, for me, you get a 8, my God. Manner.
Alright, Lala Dan, may I tell you, big performance from the man. Remember to keep the vote. Hey, coming in right now, may I tell you, no. It's a good look. The competition reach right here. Alright, we're moving on to another contestant right now. This artist go by the name of G Flames. G Flames, fiery. Make your way to center stage right now. 100% talent. Let's do it, brother.
Fiery, you don't know they have to represent for 100% talent Jamaica. You see me? Yeah. Brr, brr. Yeah. For the ladies, them is in representing, yeah. Girl, me I tell you are #1 and now me not see a girl we bad like you. We bad like you.
Mr. Jones.
Oh, you bad, so make man want attack you. When your wine is like a corona lockdown. Girl running at the most and gone lock up. Hide them a hide when I wine, you a wine. Oh, you bad, so make man want attack you. When your wine is like a corona lockdown. Girl running at the most and gone lock up. Hide them a hide when I wine, you a wine. Champagne a pop and she sipping champagne. She make man want attack when she rotate that waist. To the dance all them a girl a dedicate. And me love it when they make your body shake. You cute now your face like you use but you clear. You independent, no depend on no meal. You bad like a wa, make some gyal get afraid. Your style can't compare. Oh you bad so make man want attack you. When your one is like a corona lockdown. Girl running at the most and gone lock up. Hide them a hide when I wine you a wine. Oh you bad so make man want attack you. When your one is like a corona lockdown. Girl running at the most and gone lock up. Hide them a hide when I wine you a wine. Wine go down slow and then you come back up. Jiggle up your body then you tick-tock so. When me done with you blister up. Drop it like a bomb cause you hot so. You no play game some gyal a mascot. Dance or quarantine the place lock down. When you wine gyal me call the cops come.
Hey, may I tell you the show, wake up here now again, you know. Hey, big up yourself, the great artist. May I tell him I go on G Flames. Hey, trust me, you know. He's a bad artist, you know. You're excited. Let's move on to the judges right now. Our general.
Yeah, G Flames. You know, the artist previously before you forward and forward with 2 Empress. And you see me, I did him do him thing. You forward out individually. Same context, same find a female song, only thing. To you powerful, you may call a judge get up and a dance. You even need the female, them, you know. Say over the me, I did love the performance, love the energy. The song bad. The song bad. Yeah, me I tell you, yeah man, you can't know says a song that from it playing a dance, woman then we dance to it. You see me I do and I say right music. So for me it's a 9.
Alright, big up yourself, original. Thank you for that, Lady Tash.
I'm looking for the video and whining Keisha in it. Well, trust me, the vibe do it for me. I love all the contestants them come out. You understand me with them different style, but the vibe is a 9 for me.
All right, then I go on, you know. Yes, Counselor. Thank you, Lady Tash, for that.
Quick and fast. I mean, it was entertaining. You know, I'll give you a 7.
A 7. Thank you for that. All right.
Listen, I came out of my chair. I haven't been feeling very well, and you brought me out of my chair. So I give you a 10.
All right, 10. Boy, she
really
love that jam
enjoy
vibe
it.
to his song
I
and I go on with
really love
herself.
it.
Hey,
We're
she
after this
excited for
again.
that one. Hey, you make she move. You know what I mean? G-Flames, big up yourself. You mean? Me, I tell you, the competition get hot right now. We're moving on to another artist. All right, so Amaman, make your way to center stage right now. What you mean? The man himself, Amaman. What you mean? Boy, me, I tell you, Amaman, where you going with? Hey, big up yourself in the Amaman. You're always excited, you know. So let's do this right now. Bring it to the table.
Yeah, blessed love. Big up the contestants. Big up the judges as well. Yeah, man, this tune, you know. I do this tune, you know, for all the ladies and all the people out there. Never all the ladies. For all the people them out there, we do the cook, we have them cook shop. All youth them and the people them, we do them cook shop out the road. See me I say? Me say me nah go in for your dumpling shop, girl, nah go in for your. I nah go in for your dumpling shop. Dumpling shop, your dumpling shop too big and hot. Your dumpling shop too big and hot. Love the dumpling way tight and fat. Love the dumpling way tight and. Me a go employ Paulette in a me cook shop. Employ Suzette in a me cook shop. Put on your apron and you cook hot one. You dash out the red peas and the coconut. Sweep out the shop before you put on the pot. People out the door want come in at the shop. Chef cook sweet, so me have to come back. Write up your chart and tell me where you got. Give me beef chicken, me no want a pork chop. This a cook shop, ya eat hotter than. Me say me nah go in for your dumpling shop, girl, nah go in for your. I nah go in for your dumpling shop. Dumpling shop, your dumpling shop too big and hot. Your dumpling shop too big and hot. Love the dumpling way tight and fat. Love the dumpling, yeah. Put on your apron and you cook hot. Dash out the red peas and the coconut. Sweep out the shop before you put on the pot. People out the door want come in at the shop. Chef cook sweet, so me have to come back. Write up your chart and tell me where you got. Give me beef chicken, me no want a pork chop. Nothing done nice like a clean cook. Me say me nah go in for your dumpling shop, girl. I nah go in for your dumpling shop. Dumpling shop. Clean down the stove and wash out the pot. Nothing done nice like a clean cook shop. Blend me the juice, give me carrot. Turn on the AC, give me comfort. Chef cook sweet, so me have to come back. Write up your chart and tell me where you got. Give me the chicken, me no want a pork. Say me nah go in for your dumpling shop, girl.
Amaman.
Ping, 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 ping.
Hey, big up Amaman in the place. Me leave the judges them to answer to this. Let me start with Lady Tash. Me not said nothing.
Hammer man. I swear I was going to use the hammer for lockdown. Excuse my voice, but I swear I was going to use the hammer to lick down the dumpling shop. You understand me? But now you go right down to the coconut, you know, so the rice and peas, they're well sweet. The bun down to the bottom. Hammer man, I love you. Me give you 8.
You must love him. Amaman! Our general.
Yeah, you don't know. Big up yourself. You don't know entertaining and thing. You see me, Adi? But me personally, like last most of my time, you see me? Dumpling shop, then we reach to the food and you see me, rice and peas and you know, and the dumpling tight and you see me? So me is a man, a 3 months ago, you see me? You overs. I'm a man.
Councillor Edward.
I'm a man. I know at times you were never singing about the dumpling. You know, but we know what the something is. But it was entertaining, you know. And I give you a 7.
Oh, you're so Jamaican. You're the fun thing about that happens and exists in Jamaica still. I'll give you a 5. I know you have more to offer us in the future, but it was fun. I liked it. I liked it a lot. All right?
Yeah, I feel like it.
It's a 4 for me because I think the song is confusing. You know, I don't know, like the whole food thing mix up with.
Yeah, you have to be careful, you know. You know what I mean? But as I was saying, you don't know, we're having fun right here. Yeah. And big up yourself, I'm a man, how you mean? Hopefully
we understand it's all about the gimmicks and having fun and that kind of stuff. And the reality is, Calypso, there's a transition from Calypso and that kind of stuff. So we understand where you're coming from, Hammer. Don't worry yourself.
All right, I'm a man, big up yourself. Hopefully we'll see you in the next round. You know what I mean? Yeah, which part me reach, you know? Big up all sponsors, see me, you know. You understand? All right, so we're moving on to Dozen. And the artist Dozens right now. Make your way to center stage, my brother. Yeah. Dozen. This is the social media winner. Alright, so Dozen, what you bring to the table this week?
Big up yourself, 100% talent every time. Real talent. Big up yourself, you know, 100%. Me again? Alright, you know, so from the other day we get a bag of confusion from the bigger heads. Straight in our rhythm. Boy. Pull up rhythm for me.
Caution. Beat.
All who can, don't curb crime, blame dancehall. And if you really like party, take a little vaccine and that's all. Me no want get too political. Out of anyone always want all. How come my people no fed up yet? Just wait till the youth them start ball. How the country a run, so them only a kill the heads and you see in a run door. How the country a run, so much C-sec pass where the factories to come on. How the country a run, so the country so nice, so the hell we a run door. How the country a run, so you have to skill like a ninja, none to the chuckle. Time a get harder. Ratanian buckle that cause if we stay healthy, me can't buy a apple, so me step up my hustle in front of the chapel. Have to keep moving, my foot them no shackle. Most desolate place, my bread me have to travel. Try start the paper, bad mind not apple. Where them say me have to slave, talent me and rebel watcher. How the country a run, so them only a kill heads and you see in a run door. How the country a run, so much C-sec pass, so the factories to come on. How the country a run, so the country so nice, so the hell we a run door. How the country a run, so we know them not gonna stop me from bust a cylinder. No gonna make a yard so smuggle them come in ya. I will build the port to protect the borders. And now my father was and my father. Poor people money them are used by Benz and Prada. How we pay them bills and them light and water. Little good governance, that is all we ask. So yet them tie we out like a lamb to slaughter. Watch out. How the country a run, so them only a kill heads and you see in a run door. How the country a run, so much C-sec pass, so the factories to come on. How the country a run, so the country so nice. Hell we a run go.
Alright, doesn't mean I tell you for real. I think I like this song, you know. The country a run away for true. You know what I mean? Like them all mash up the country and the Nero.
Rough Nation.
Trust me.
I give a 7. Why me I give a 7? You see that? A vaccine thing they were telling me to take. I'm not about to talk about that on the TV right now. But that make you never get it in. Okay.
Correction.
Okay, alright. So the correction, alright. So with that said, we never write down the point.
Say, if you don't want the party them to keep, just take a little vaccine.
Until it reach pizza now.
Him literally say.
Alright, we cannot debate that something because
clearly,
you know, but alright. So with that said, you will get in an 8. It was 7, but you know, misunderstand what you said. But I think your clarity needs to be a bit more brighter. I know you can do it, which why I get the 8.
Thank you, Neil.
Going real fast, I'll give you a 9. I really like the vibes that you are conscious, you're current, and the thing about it is that we need to be able to look at serious matters and make decisions. I liked it. I give you a 9.
All right, thank you, Kisha. Councillor Edwards.
You are on point. You are current. You know, and you had that message, a clear message, and it showed that you are aware of what's happening. You know, so I give you an N as well.
All right, thank you for that, Councillor Edwards. Lady Tash.
I see you write that song out of some deep meditation. You understand me? I meditate too. So here I make you a 9.
Country run away for true that.
Yeah, it doesn't. Big song. Fully current, fully potent. Right, you know what we are dealing with. No people afraid to say certain things, but we are the voice of the voiceless. Yo, as when I deal, I respect that message where you forward out and make the people them know, say, yo, we are say what we not say now, we know what we not say now. We don't feel like we don't want to tell you, say, we have got to take vaccine because of party. Yo, as when I deal, so me personally, I give you a 10 God, because right now, that can bust right all tomorrow. Believe me when I tell you, that depends on everybody's mind right now. Yo,
the country around, so. Alright, now so big up yourself. Oh, you mean, remember to keep the votes coming in when anytime you see all contestants out there. Remember to support all the young talents and all these things, you know what I mean? So we could move on to another artist right now. You know, Real Flavor. Real Flavor there. Hey, big up Real Flavor. Yeah. Hey, make your way to center stage, my brother. What go on? Where you deal with it?
You know me there and I give thanks again. Yeah, man, 100% talent. So you know me I go big up, you know what I mean? The poor. That's the thing. DJ Smokey. Give it again, DJ Smokey. Ever do this to me? Let me tell you. DJ Smokey, ever doing this to me? Run it now. South Street. Let me tell you about this street. What's the address where you live? You know them deprived the poor though. The struggle is real. Who knows it feel? Enough things are revealed. Them all for themselves, them alone want them. Yo, dance guys. From me born when me notice. Them fight the poor, yeah me know this. Now how we make it but a sureness. Cause we heart full of pureness. Yo, where we want to know afford it. No, Coop and Benz, yo afford this. Yo, I tour this. The girl they know what tour like a tourist. Never what we make it, but I feel what you set it. Goals and dreams go, they go take it. Me do the mathematics too, them set them ethics. Hold on the poor when you check the logics. They never what we make it, but I feel what you take it. Goals and dreams go, they go set it. Me can't chat to you, don't it again. Level me. Really and truly, them not really want we money up. Good school can send we kids them while them growing up. Hold we head up till them and we hold we down, you know. No ambitious, know that we know, you know. Get up, use Jaja. We do this to me to up on a new song. Oh my God. Jaja. Jaja, Real Flavor, it's so nice.
Real Flavor, big up yourself. Hey, mean, tell me somebody what you talking about. Confident, big up yourself. Hey, mean, the man say song new, you know. 100% talent show this. Big up yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to hear what the judges them have to say. You can know it go. The man say a new song, so you know it go. Alright, so Ara General, we're starting with you.
Yeah, Real Flavor. You know the thing go. Big song, but you just never deliver properly today. You over the me I deal with. So with all said and done, you know the me I give a 6. You see me I deal with. Alright.
Alright, thank you for that, Ara. Lady Tash, what you think about Real Flavor? What you think about that song there?
Real Flavor. But know you have some real flavors. You understand? I give it a 5.
Alright, thank you, Lady Tash, for that one. Councillor Edwards.
I know you from a very long time, and I know you have more in you. And I was looking for a better delivery.
Take down the beat.
You know, but for some strange reason, you fell off, and you were a bit off key as well. You know, so I give you a 6.
Alright, no problem.
I'll give you a 5 for your effort because we know your capability and stuff like that. We know what your potential is like. So we know say just one of those days. I'll give you a 5. Yes.
Alright.
Alright, it's a 6 to me. It's a 6 to me. Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself. What you mean? Real flavor. Big up yourself. What we do? Next time you come in bigger and better and stronger and excited. You mean 100% talent Jamaican show is going on well. Black Talent, you ready right now? Make your way to center stage. Black Talent, you know it go. Alright? So DJ Smokey, find Black Talent ready right now. Alright, do your thing, my boss.
Run the rhythm, my general. Yo, 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 yo. Scholars up in your town. Tell me how me sound. Scholar there we no in a waste talk. Give me the mic, you no see the place cock. No violate member, your face mark is a big fireball a turn in a base park. Mali pan the rocker so the day start. The shoes pa me belly love a race start. Catch them in a betting shop as to the race chart. Walk in, something red a runner so the race start. Girl them fit like a athlete a match. I grade a kick and the athlete for scat. Back shake a arch for the hot piece of touch. From she link up with the scholars she no stop feature mark this. Larry stand back to Tradija Park. Feds them we roll out with a piece of chalk. Rock Peter Rock them know the street ya dark. Man we bleed out a tank till the gas reach a quart. And me nah prove you no see me can't lose. Me dark move with a mini small shoes. The ball huge, them a bring it on news. Ever have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Me have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Ever have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Cut up the push, go get the grabber, get the rum. Stack up the Mali and no bother make it done. Me mother say me a go have a messy long. Me get high under the push, it's like the god that left it ground there. From a war we never call up and a run. I said them bad where them a roll up and a bun. Pay them a visit, me go swallow man a stun. So no true, you see me cleaning and me polo man a scum. Hey, me no do job enough for me no macalum. Them no iron and me no see none a column. Me knock it like the man we sit down back a jump. If a taxi man a run the road a everywhere we run. But me nah prove you no see me can't lose. Me dark move with a mini small shoes. The brawl huge, them a bring it on news. Ever have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Hey, me have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Ever have it anywhere you see me car cruise.
Alright, Black Talent, me I tell you, your word already there, no brother. Well excited. What you mean, Black Talent? We can move to the first judges right now. Nero, what you have to think? What you think about Black Talent performance? And we do respect you for that apology you just did just now. Nero, what one?
Alright, that's a 7 for me for the performance, the lyrical content. So 7 for me.
For me, I appreciate the fact that you can have some consciousness to say, okay, something wasn't right, and apologize to who was here. I want to just go into it real quick and give you a 6 because I like the old school vibe. I like you always bring something nice and fun to the table.
All right, big up Keisha Las Vegas. I mean, I get a 6. Councillor Edwards.
Not to delay. I gave you a 7. You know.
All right, a 7 from the councillor, Lady Tash.
Who remember this rhythm? Prom prom. That was a healthy performance. Love the energy. You was on point. I give you a 9.
All right, she loving it. She loving it. Our general, Black Talent.
Yeah, we
here.
love the rhythm choice for sure. So we still stick to our roots and our culture and our dancehall. You know what I mean? So I love that where the eye forward with. You see me I did, but at the same time, you know, say a big rhythm this and a big song depend them rhythm. You see me I deal with, so when you have forward pan them rhythm, you have to take away the big song out of our brain. We can't listen it and hear she have a healthy body.
Yeah.
She and she will shoot you with it. Yo, that's when me I deal with. So you see me when it a play still, so for me, more than give a 6 my general, you see me?
Alright, our general, thank you for that one. Ain't no problem. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, my boss. Yeah. Alright, they say the 100% Jamaican talent. Yeah. And this is how we're doing it right now. Move on to another contestant right now. This artist go by the name of Desi Frost. Desi Frost, make your way to center stage. Shell it.
Bless up, bless up. They are from Shirley and they are all the faith same way. All the artists them before me then go on good. Big up all the judges them. Yeah man, big up all the sponsorship, you see it? Yeah, what do you get some advice for the audition? Don't play it. Don't play it. Hold it, look at it. Yeah, what do you get some advice for the audition? Yeah, I look into it and I say, yo, them advice are real talk. I'm forward out today to put the advice to the table and hear what judge them say. You see it? So we forward with an easy song, to catch our vibes, to bless up the place, I just feel with style. Anyway, go tap rhythm now. Yeah, our general. Nero. Yeah, big up all our judges them. Counselor. Don't do that. And up on your phone, don't do that. That's it for Sauter. Yeah. You see it? Nah, don't do that to me neither. Just listen. You catch our vibes. Watch out now. TV lifestyle, make money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. TV lifestyle, just feed the fat Kyle, make a gal a get wild. TV lifestyle, money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. TV lifestyle. May I tell you now a little story. So me wake up, roll a beat, grab a fresh beat, clocks from feet, ready to go touch street. Spray on me cologne, a girl must cheat. Reach for your fat Kyle, last kid feet. Harrow general in the black jeep, and him clean from him head go straight in teeth. 100% talent sure, it a keep. Yo, pass me iPhone, me make a tweet. Feel me lifestyle, make money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. Feel me lifestyle, just feed the Kyle, make a girl a get wild. Feel me lifestyle, money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. Feel me lifestyle. What is second verse? Also we pull up in a hardy. Be a girl a swami, cuckoo on the team. Yo, that a the army. NSC a ching, white one with Campari. We fuck the place to all police one charge me. Money there enough for me family and me charge it. Bandit pull up the pro box and him a parky. How I turn up place for you stand up and party. Cause you don't know the man they not say 40. TV lifestyle, sing no. Money stockpile like we a sell aisle dog. TV lifestyle, easy. Million forward. Yeah man, a TV lifestyle man. TV lifestyle. Millions. Are the judges.
I like the bounce, so I'm just gonna start real fast and go straight into it. I mean, number one, Jamaica, you are just representing right now the streets, the vibes of the street. If you're gonna have fun, you also, the lifestyle of Jamaica, feel lifestyle, I like that. You just brand it and call it yours because it really is fun and you said it all. When most men touch a road, they have to go clean. And as I say, Horror General, from head to toe, clean. I love it, and most women love that too. So I will give you an 8.
Ain't
for
that
sure.
the frost?
Where's my 8 there? Where's my 8?
Oh, yes, Keisha, I'm excited.
I'm looking for the 8. Where's 8?
There's the frost.
Where's the 8?
Excited. And I tell the judge, ready? I want
I'm
one.
looking for the 8, and something's going on, but it's 8 I give you. Let me move on real quick.
All right, thank you for that one. Desi, pay attention to the judge, I tell you.
So it's 8 for me also. I've already found the square before when they actually stopped, for creativity.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And the fact say him acknowledge say, oh, listen to the judge start. Because most time persons come on competition and hear judges speak negative and them take it to heart, you know what I mean? And then realize it's the same thing would happen if you put a song on YouTube. If you put a song out there, if you go up on a big show and sing and them say, boo, what you gonna do? So it's just the same thing, you know what I mean? So yeah, 8 for me also.
Thank you for that, Nero. Counselor.
That's it. Me like it. You know, it's catching. A gimmick song.
Yeah.
It will run out tomorrow morning. You know, me I give you 9 feet.
All right. May I tell you. Lady Dash.
You're looking at me now. All right. I can see that you do your homework. You listen and you come back stronger. I like it. I give you an 8.
All right, the judges them are going good enough. All right, General.
Yeah, there's the frost. We love the energy and the melody, you see me? And the different concept, you see me? It have a little womanizer some go on concept. You get me a deal with feel lifestyle, you see me? Yeah, so the punchline bad key. To me I have similar problem. Breath control. In the last part of the verses me hear more time. You have to hold on the rhythm, cause rhythm. Oh, the fire phone kinda. Alright, so me can realize, but in my hearing, me I see it kinda off, but you hold it back at the same time, you see me? But the song mighty full, performance mighty full, just that you need for work on. So I 8 for me too as well, my God.
Alright, thank you for that, Arrow General. May I tell you right now, all contestants doing good. You know, me like the show, I'm like how everything are going, you know what I mean? Big up to all the judges, you know what I mean? We take part today, you know what I mean? All the contestants, big up on yourself. DJ Smoke, I just want to make this clear, my brother. whenever the artists them a perform, don't mix no artist at all. Don't mix no artist. Just give them the rhythm. If them a go chip by themselves. Just let the rhythm flow. Alright, my brother, big up DJ Smokey. Everything alright. Alright, so you know what's going on. Alright, so it's a reach one part. Big up yourself, there's a frost. How you mean? Ain't remember to keep the votes coming in right now. You don't know. Everybody on the media, remember to follow 100% Talent over there on Instagram. Remember, also go subscribe over on the YouTube also. You know what I mean? 100% Talent Show. So